Hi everyone! Today I have a violet smoky eye makeup tutorial for you using Morphe 35B palette. It's supposed to be spring inspired tutorial, but because I do only goth and alternative makeup, you won't see anything light or subtle on my channel. So if you're interested in how I achieve this badass look, keep watching. I started by applying light brown liquid lipstick above my crease to prime this area. Then I set it using a medium beige eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette. I used the white eyeshadow under my brows and I blended it slightly with the medium beige I have applied earlier. Then I smudged black gel eyeliner into my outer V's. I set it with black matte eyeshadow to prevent creasing. Then I applied this purple liquid lipstick in the center of my lids as a sticky base for violet eyeshadow. Then I pressed this beautiful vibrant matte violet eyeshadow into my lids using flat stiff brush. I went back into the medium beige and I blended the edges slightly. I did the same with the black eyeshadow as well. Next I applied white eyeshadow base into my inner corners. Then I applied this shimmery purple loose pigment from MAC right on top of the white base. You can also use the frosty lilac shade from the Morphe palette. Next I lined my waterline and bottom lash line with white eye pencil. I put the purple pigment on top of it. I applied the violet eyeshadow into the outer half of my lids. Then I lined my top lash line using gel eyeliner. Next I primed my face using mattifying cream from Mary Kay. I cleaned up my under eye area with this awesome light high coverage concealer from Mary Kay. Then I applied my foundation. I used MAC Studio Fix Fluid in shade NC15. Next I used this light brown lipstick again to contour my face. I set everything with translucent loose powder. Then I darkened my eyebrows using Anastasia Beverly Hills dipbrow pomade in shade Ebony. Next I applied my favorite mascara from L'Oreal on my top and bottom lashes. Then I applied the purple liquid lipstick on my lips. I set it with the violet eyeshadow. I darkened the inner corners with the black eye pencil and the black eyeshadow afterwards. Then I applied the MAC pigment in the center. I contoured my face again using the medium beige eyeshadow from the Morphe palette. So this is it for my today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any ideas, comments or suggestions, leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already yet, and I'll see you next time. Bye!